What if you could take something from real life, a place, an object, or whatever you want, and turn it into an interactive 3D space? Well, that's what Gaussian Splatting lets you do. Gaussian Splatting is a rendering technique used to convert image captures of real-life places and objects into digital versions of themselves. And it's surprisingly accessible. So, here's what you need to get started: a camera, a subject, and a tool to convert the capture into 3D. Your phone works, but a DSLR is even better. Just make sure to shoot in landscape mode, at least 1080p, and 30 frames per second. If you have them, use a tripod or a simple rig to keep your camera steady as you take multiple shots from different angles. Steady footage makes a huge difference. I know I've messed up a few scans myself, moving way too fast. Lighting should be clean and even. Too dark or too blown out, you'll lose the detail that you need in the 3D scan. So keep everything still while capturing and remove anything in the shot that you don't want in the final 3D model. For conversion, you can start with apps like Polycam, Luma, or Scanniverse, or request early access to VIVERSE's own 3D Gaussian Splat platform, which we've linked down below. Each app's workflow is a little bit different, but the core idea is the same. If you're scanning an object, walk around it in a circle, camera pointed towards the center. If it's a space, stand in the middle and slowly rotate. To get more detail, tilt your camera up and down as you go, and take multiple loops at different distances to help define the full shape. When you're done, export the scan as a POI file. 3D assets created using Gaussian Splat normally have a large file size. To use these in your VIVERSE world, you'll need to optimize them using SuperSplat and PlayCanvas. Import your POI, use the tools to tweak it, and export a compressed version. To bring your optimized 3D splat into VIVERSE, just drop the file into your PlayCanvas project, go to your asset library, and add a new entity. Select G-Splat, and load your asset. From there, you can adjust its position, scale, and rotation just like any other asset in the scene. You can also manually add rigid body and a collision. And if you want a full walkthrough of that part, we've linked that tutorial down below. That's the full process, from capture to cleanup to upload. It's a fast way to bring real-world content into your VIVERSE worlds, no modeling required. Whether you're building worlds, prototypes, digital twins, Gaussian Splatting is a powerful tool to have. More tools and walkthroughs are on the way, so thanks for watching.